Hey everyone, this is Mike Johnson, and I'd like to welcome you to the WP Social Traffic Blaster overview video. And I'm going to show you why the Traffic Blaster literally is the most powerful traffic generation tool for social media you can find on the web right now. There's a lot of content lockers out there, but there's nothing like this, I guarantee it. Once you see all the features, you'll know there's nothing else that has the power of this plugin. First and foremost, we know a lot of people have Google +1 scripts, Twitter scripts on their site, and in the base settings here, you can check here if you're already running something like that. So we clean up the code and make sure there's no conflicts and make it run seamlessly on your site. You can still use all the features here. All you're doing is cleaning up a conflict that might happen if you're already running a Twitter button or a Google +1 button on your site. Okay, now there's four main elements to the Traffic Blaster, and those four elements give you the utmost flexibility in how you use the plugin. First and foremost, we have the social locker, and what the social locker does is gives you the ability to use Facebook likes, Twitter tweets, or Twitter follows, Google +1s, or LinkedIn to have users on your site unlock content to socially share it, get those social signals out there, and create a tidal wave of traffic back to your site. And that's the big rush of this plugin. But the customization is really where it's at. You can customize this to literally do anything you want, right? We even give you the ability to change colors, add in your message here of what's going to go onto Facebook, Twitter, Google, plus LinkedIn. All right, and down here we have our basic Facebook API settings that you can put in, your Google +1 settings, your Twitter settings, your LinkedIn settings. All right, all these can be completely customized to look the way you want them to look. And the thing is, as I'll show you here in a couple minutes, is you can use either one of these or all of them. You don't have to use every single one of them. You can use just Facebook likes, you can use just Twitter tweets, you can use just Twitter follows, any of that stuff. So that's where you get a lot of flexibility from this. All right, now the second part is one of the huge features of this plugin, and that's the Facebook friend inviter portion of it. This gives you the ability to literally have users have to invite people to your blog in order to unlock content. So you say you want them to have 5 people invited in order to unlock a piece of content. That is a powerful, extremely powerful way to get your content shared across a huge space, because you've gone from one person sharing your content on Facebook to 5. It now exponentially can grow that content by 5 times as you increase that number. And of course you have to be careful how many you use, because the more you put on there, the less people will actually share it. So you have to come up with a low but good number to get people to share your content and unlock it at the same time. Okay, and you can see here you have a minimum friends and maximum friends, user invitations, the message that goes out, image URL. Just there's no and this is just the base settings. Now we get even more detail on this in the actual locker settings in your post and page editor, which you'll see here in a couple minutes. All right, the next portion of this, we have the actual Facebook fan page locker, which more and more people have been asking for this from me for the longest time, is the ability to actually have people like your fan page to unlock content on your site. And now we have that ability to do that. You add in your fan page, and people must like it from any content on your blog, and you'll increase your fans on your Facebook fan page and allow people to unlock your content and virally share your fan page as well. So it's a fantastic way to increase the viral nature of your actual fan page and get you a lot more fans. The next portion is we also have a content locker pop-up that you can block content with a pop-up instead of just on page if you want, and it has additional features that allows it. You use a timeout to unlock content. For example, if person's been looking at the page for 60 seconds and it unlocks automatically if you want, instead of socially sharing it. So it gives you a lot more abilities here to be flexible in what you do. And this is just all the base settings of the plugin. If we actually go into the page and post editor, we go in here and go into add new in our post editor, and you're going to see here the lock here. What we can do with any content with the lock shortcodes is to simply click on it, and now what you'll see here is all the options that come with each facet of the plugin. We have the social locker. We can have a color that surrounds the content. You can go none or have different colors. The message that goes with it, and then you can see we can choose if we want to use Facebook, Google+, Twitter. Want to have Twitter follows, so you get more followers from it, and LinkedIn. And then the actual content you can add right here in the shortcode box, so you get it right every time. And this can be download links, it can be URLs, it can be full content, it can be videos, it can be anything. Anything you can put in WordPress, you can put in here. All right, and the same thing, if you go in, you now have your Facebook friend inviter locker. You can choose that, and you can put your message to friends in here and customize everything as well. URL you want to share, doesn't matter. Doesn't have to be on your website. You can share a URL from anywhere. All right, same thing with your social locker. And then you have your Facebook fan page like locker, where you put in your fan page URL here and have them share your fan page and select the content that you want locked as well. There's nothing more powerful and more feature rich than this plugin on the market right now. I guarantee it. You will not find a more detailed breadth of features anywhere else. It gives you the ability to unlock the traffic that you can receive from a social content locking plugin like the WP Social Traffic Blaster.